Hey guys, Snapchat is a fun messaging app with a lot of features, one of which is streaks. Streaks are when you and your friend have sent snap back and forth within 24 hours for more than 3 days in a row. To make it easier to keep your streak going, in this video I'll show you how to create a shortcut on Snapchat for streak. It's quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video. To get started, we will simply open our Snapchat mobile application. So for the purpose of the video, I'm simply going to take a snap and then I'm going to simply tap on the send button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on the screen, simply tap on the search bar at the top. As you guys can see, under the search bar on the left side of the screen, now as you guys can see that there is an option called shortcuts at the top of the screen, but it is showing me at the right side because I have already created a shortcut. But if you are creating a new shortcut, it will show you on the top left corner of the screen. So you simply have to tap on shortcuts. From here you simply have to go to new shortcut. First of all, you have to choose any of the emoji that will describe your shortcut. You can select any of the emoji, and after that you simply have to select any of the person that you want to add in your shortcut. So if I want to add these people, then you simply have to tap on create shortcut, and after that your shortcut will be created. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.